A very happy morning to my cute little children. So, we were playing with numbers, right? And we were completing our exercise number 1. We have done all these things. Now, we will do question number 8. Fill in the missing numbers. So, how to do this? Fill in the missing numbers. See children, there is a pattern between these numbers. Okay, if you will carefully observe these numbers. Let's start with the A. 8, 38, 68. Observe the pattern. What it is? Which color should I take? I will take blue color. Okay. See, what is the difference between 38 and 8? It is 8, right? If I minus, see we are solving A. 38 minus 8 gives 30. Okay. See, here the difference is of 30 between 8 and 38. Then let's see again. 38 and 68. 68 minus 38. What comes? 30. Okay. 38. If I add 30 to 38, I get 68. Okay, see again. If I add 30 to 8, I get 38. If I add 30 to 38, I get 68. Then, if I will add 30 to 68, what I will get? Come on, solve this and tell me. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. So, I will get here 98. Then 98 plus 30. 8. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So, I will get 128 here. Then 128 plus 30. 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Come on, you are getting time to solve this. You can solve. Three plus 2, 5. Then 1 as it is. So, I will get 158. Okay kids, this is how you have to fill in the missing numbers. Just try to identify that what is the difference between the numbers and then add accordingly. You will be able to do this. I have done the first one for you. B and C, you have to do this. Okay, now we will move ahead. Rewrite in ascending order. So children, what do we mean by ascending order? छोटे से बड़ा. What do we mean by ascending order? छोटे से बड़ा. So सबसे छोटा number, which is the smallest number here? Let's see. It is 172. Why 172 is the smallest number? Because at hundreds place we are having 1, here we are having 3, here we are having 2 and here we are having 4. तो सबसे छोटा number कौन सा है? 1. So 172 is my smallest number. After 172, which will be 217, 217. Then I will write 217. Then comes 3. So 385. Then what will come? 437. So this was very easy. Now let's do B. This is B. $417, $425, $403, $454. All the hundreds digit is same, 444. No worries, jump to the tens place. Then we are having 1, 2, 0 and 5. Which is the smallest of these? It is 403. Why 403 is the smallest, kids? Tell me. Yes, because at tens place it is having 0. उसके बाद अब देखिए 0 के बाद कौन सा सबसे बड़ा नंबर होता है? 1. तो 417. So we will write here 417. Then what will come? 425. And then 454. ओके तो आपको इसमें क्या करना होता है? छोटे से बड़ा नंबर अरेंज करना होता है इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. अब इसमें हम छोटे से बड़े की तरफ गए थे. इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर वी विल डू ऑपोजिट, फ्रॉम बिगर नंबर टू स्मॉलर नंबर. वी विल डू लाइक दिस. सो आई विल डू द फर्स्ट वन फॉर यू. B, I think you will be able to do. Which is the biggest of all? 666. That is 666. Then what will come? 333. Then yes, 222. And then 111. Okay. Come on, let's do B also. We will do fast. Which is the greatest number of all? These numbers? 915. Why? Because at hundreds place we are having 9. Here we are having 6. Here we are having 7. Here we are having 4. Here we are having 9. और 9 सबसे बड़ा है ना? इन 6, 7, 4 में से. तो 915 हुआ हमारा सबसे बड़ा नंबर. Then which is the second largest? Yes, you are right. 615. Then what will come? Come on, practice. Answer. Give me the answer. After 615, 715 and then 415. Yes, good work kids. I know you understood each and every point nicely. Study well children, play a lot, eat healthy food. May God bless you.